Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm sitting on the front steps of my porch and there's pollen everywhere because the trees have started to bloom and you know how spring goes. And I just want to touch base with you. I wanted to let you know what's going on and just kind of give you a pep talk and say, stay strong and healthy, be careful. I do have to run out to the post office. I have a stack of paintings to ship out to some lucky people. And we're going to venture to the grocery store and see if there's anything left in the food aisles. We're not on lockdown yet, but we may be soon. So we're just going to try to go get some extra stuff. Not toilet paper. I don't know what everybody needs all this toilet paper for. Do you? It's just like crazy. We have a big old pack of toilet paper. I think it's going to last us a while. So we're not going to hoard toilet paper, but we do need some meat and stuff like that. But I wanted to let you know I had a couple things going on. And I was thinking about, everybody and just thinking, with the possibility that there's a lot of people that are at home with their children because of school being closed or their jobs having them work from home. And if you have some extra paint or canvases around, take a class of mine if you want to. I'll post the link below the video. They're online tutorials. They're $35 for a class, and you have lifetime access to it. But I might give you something to do. You could even do it with some friends or family or your kids. Who knows? I just want to show you a few that I have done lately, and I just posted one yesterday, but I've done several. I've got 20-something tutorials, but here's a peacock one. And yes, this is painting from scratch with no experience. You can do this because I'll walk you through stroke by stroke of brushes. Here's a more playful one. It's a jellyfish with some fun bubbles. I did some lemons recently, just doing a typical still life. And the one I just put up the other day is Who Are You? The funky, cute, whimsical owl, because I think we need something happy to cheer us up. So, if you've got some extra time on your hands and want to be doing something, if you've got some acrylic paint sitting around, it doesn't have to be the exact brand I use. Or if you've got some 8x10 canvases, and if not, I'll post a link below the video. I'll give you the cheapest possibilities for canvases in my Amazon link below, and you can order canvases and have them to your doorstep in 2 days, okay? So no excuses to not sit and paint and have a good time and maybe practice up on your skills or learn how to paint. Take a step away from acrylic pouring and try something with brushes. Now, wouldn't that be fun? I just like for you to have the opportunity, okay? And then the other big announcement is on Instagram. I hit the 3,000 mark a week or so ago, and I wanted to do a giveaway on Instagram. So if you're not following me, please follow me over there because I'm doing a giveaway, and I will post the link to my Instagram account right below the video as well. And I've been on an angels kick here lately. I've been doing a lot of angels, and I'm going to keep doing more. I just really feel a prompting to do that. It just really, the Spirit's just impressed me to do angels and bring people hope, and maybe in memory of a loved one or whatever. But so I did one of my rounds on MDF, and here she is. She is purple and gold, and she's got just blessings falling down on her shoulders, just raining in on her. She's raining in with blessings, and it's an angel of hope. And it's also, she's saying thank you for being such great followers. So what will happen is I'll post the picture of this in this video so you can see what to be looking for. And then over on my Instagram account, you'll look for that post and that picture. And under that post, you'll have to just follow the instructions and follow me and share it with a friend or two, and you will win. There will be one winner that will win this in the United States. Outside of the US, I'll give you a bunch of free digital downloads or something that'll make it worth your while, but this will be just in the US only. And you'll also get a bottle of DecoArt 24 karat gold extreme sheen paint, a bottle of it, plus the tip that I use to do all the embellishing on all my videos that I've been doing here lately, where you get that raised effect and you get that fine detail. This is the tip that I use, and you can screw it onto any 2 or 8 ounce bottle, craft bottle of paint. It doesn't have to be DecoArt, it can be any brand, but I do love the Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. You will win the round, the paint, and the tip. Some lucky winner will get it. So if you aren't on Instagram and following me, please go over there and follow me, and just find the picture of the angel that looks like this, and it'll say that it's the giveaway for 3,000 people, and just comment below for a chance to win and follow the instructions. Okay? So y'all have a great day and be blessed, and I just want to know that I really love you and appreciate all of you for being with me all along the journey. And if you're just new, I hope you'll continue to follow me, and please share with your friends and all angel lovers and anybody that you think would enjoy doing the tutorials. Please share this video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.